up, guys? Welcome to Coy's Toys, and today we'll be doing the strawberry eating contest. Strawberry eating contest. Coy, get your grammar ready. Okay, guys, so I put some strawberries in here. We got a timer, and I'm gonna set the timer, and we'll see if I can eat all these strawberries. Let's see if I can do it. 3, 2, 1, go! And 9 seconds. Very disappointed in myself. Every 10 seconds, I had one strawberry. Very disappointed in myself. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Hopefully I remember, next year I will be doing another strawberry eating contest on July 3rd. And let's see if I can beat my time, 2:36. 2:09. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to join the toy team today. Want to check some other videos? Well, click right here. Okay, goodbye, guys.